Alright guys, let's do this. I'm gonna start on 3, okay, Dimitri?
We're doing a Nerfatologist battle.
Oh yeah, we already did a Nerfatologist battle for a Nerf battle for his channel. Now we're doing one for mine, which is me. Yay. Okay, we both have rapid strikes. Show your rapid strike, Dimitri. We have an 18 mag and 2 extra 6 mags, so reloading will be more pleasant.
This is take 2 actually.
Yeah, the first take was just too annoying. Let's go on 3. 1, 2, 3, begin! Okay, hold on. Let me just position the camera so you guys can see. It's cheap. Don't aim at my camera, bro. This thing costs a lot. Come on, this is embarrassing. God dang it. You know what? Oh, God. I'm just gonna hold it. YOLO. No. We all have the same. It's fair. Okay, this is... I'm sorry. God. I'm just gonna hold it like this. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Crap, freaking jams. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Hold on a second. Okay. Let's go. That's right, you stay down. Oh, God. Crap, I gotta reload. Alright. I'm both at 6 mag. You hit my head like 5 times. Did I hit you once this whole match? Be honest.
No.
No way. Hold on a second. I gotta get a good grip on the iPad. Okay. Let's go. I think I'm out. I'm out. I'm gonna load up. This is, oh my God. Ah! No! Don't destroy my fort. No! Okay. That was fun. You can't destroy forts. It's cheap. No destroying of the forts.
Sorry guys, it was upside down.
Yeah. God.
Yep. Alright, stop.
Let's just not do it. Anyway.
Well, this is our mess.
Just gotta unload that. Don't freaking do it on the darts, dude. You can't do it on the darts, really. No.
Well,
This was kind of lame. Let's do another video.
hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll probably do this some more some other times. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.